Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Starr. Thank you so much for joining me. We are getting so very close to semi-annual sale. Starts Friday. I'm so excited online. Now, and then Saturday, of course, in store. But here we are. I'm checking out to see if there's anything new in store today. And oh my gosh, I found some new things. I found some of my annual items, some of my annual sale items. I found this body care for firecracker pop. This is the first time I've seen this on social media, this collection. Like some pictures and such, and it is on the website, but this is the first time I'm seeing it in store. So yes, I'm really excited to find it in store. There's also the Firecracker Pop Fine Fragrance Mist, and it's pretty cute with the little popsicles. Every time they bring out Firecracker Pop, there always has to be the popsicles. In fact, I can never not have one of those firecracker. Well, I'm just going to call it a Firecracker Pop popsicle, but you know, the red, white, and blue popsicles, because when I see that, I instantly immediately think of Firecracker Pop. So anyways, all right, so I was looking at the back of this. I noticed that some of the backs have the blue and some have the red in the back. And there we have this soap, the cute little soap. Now, there is a sale going on today with a, email, kind of like a email blast. It's a coupon required for it for room spray sales for $3.95, and then the wallflower refills are going to be $3.95 as well. So we have the fresh Amalfi lemon in the room spray. So I'm gonna get close. I'm getting closer to the SAS items, I promise, friends. But I always kind of like to see what's happening and showing you what's happening in the front of the store as I move further into the store, what we have, because in a few days, we are like about a day away from SAS starting online. And so, come Saturday, this whole front area is going to be transformed. Historically, that's how it is. The front section usually is always going to be changing up for SAS. So I'm kind of excited. Well, no, I'm not kind of, I am excited to see the changes that are going to happen, and to see the new floor sets for semi-annual sale. You see those red bins. I cannot wait to see those red bins, because it is go time when those red bins appear, and so much fun. Remember that one year we had the items, instead of being in bins, they put them in, stacked them on like shelves and such, so there was no bins. And I like the bins. I think it's just easier for me to go through. I know sometimes you have to kind of dig to the bottom to see if there's any treasures towards the bottom of it, but because it's what I'm so used to, I kind of prefer the bins. And so anyways, we have Bridgerton. So I know we had the sale yesterday, $12.95 for the candles, and some of the soaps. Well, the soaps were on sale, $3.95. The wallflower refills, so that was a pretty good sale for that. Now back over here, I love room sprays. So yes, the fact that these are $3.95 today, I'm so excited. So tropical cherry colada, poolside cabana, vacation vibes, and beach blanket are some of the new ones. I just kind of wanted to show you, because normally they are $8.95 each, so 2 for $16, or today $3.95. Okay, so wallflower refills, just kind of quickly went through there, checking out what they have for pocket back holders. Now there's also new lip care products in store today as well. Beautiful new colors like lip glossies, and so I'll show you that. But first, we are going to show you, ta-da! Yes, we have the semi-annual sale candles. So there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 options on this front table, or this middle table, I should say. Now, the whole collection isn't yet. I didn't find all of the SAS candles that I've been seeing online, but this is a great start to find these. I'm so excited. So whipped coconut milkshake. Now the blue wax is so cute. I like the chocolate brown packaging with the little hearts, and but honestly, friends, I really don't pick up coconut in here at all. It reminds me almost like a chocolate milkshake. I don't know why, but I'm just really not picking up coconut. It's very faint. I'm not sure if I'm going to get this one. I'm not sure. I really want to love it. It's vanilla ice cream, toasted coconut, and sugared amber. So being light on cold makes me wonder how it's going to go when it's burning. It could be amazing. I don't know. But as it stands, historically, when there's something's kind of light, it doesn't really usually throw much when it's light. So I don't know. Not sure if I'm going to get that. We'll see. I'm just not sure, but I wanted to show you that. It's super cute packaging. And I know it's, you know, a new candle for Bath and Body Works. Here we have the blends. So blends is back, and Hello Beautiful and Black Cherry Merlot. Now this one, I mostly smelt Black Cherry Merlot. It had like a clean, I did smell something a little different than Black Cherry Merlot in it. I don't know if it's Hello Beautiful, but I did smell something a little different in there. So, but I will say Black Cherry Merlot was the first like top note that just like screamed Black Cherry Merlot. And, you know, because that scent is a very distinctive scent. It always kind of reminds me of Jello. I don't know why, but that scent reminds me of Jello. Ocean and Vanilla Bean. Okay, so this one, I'll probably get this one. This one reminds me of, well, it definitely smells like ocean. That's the top note. But I do pick up that vanilla bean in there. So that vanilla bean is coming through on this one. So that's good. I'm glad to see that. And we have, the notes are going to be blue cypress, coastal air, Madagascar, vanilla bean, and warm cinnamon. So what do you think of that, friends? The packaging, have you smelt these in your store? And I'd love to know your thoughts on this collection, the blends collection. Now, this location doesn't have SAS soaps out yet, but I'm sure any day, because I'm seeing them at other stores on Reddit, SAS soaps. So I'm so excited to find them in my locations around me. Watermelon lemonade. Here we have the top. I want to show you, there's like a little like groove on the lid. You see that? So I wanted to show you that. And that's like a bird's eye view. And here is the cute green wax. So cute. I love that little bite out of the watermelon slice in there. On the label there is super adorable. We have watermelon ice, sparkling water, and Meyer lemon. Now this smells like a pink Starburst candy to me. So this very strong, and you know, just a returning scent, very nice summery returning scent. Next up, we have some more blends, which I really like this side of the table, these blends. So there's going to be Honeycrisp Apple within the stars. Honeycrisp Apple is very prominent in this one, okay? But there's something different in there, which it kind of reminds me of a baked apple pie a little bit. And Starflower, Sandalwood Musk, Golden Honeycrisp Apple Blossom. In the stars, I kind of, you know, I don't know if I really smelled that either, but it did smell like kind of like a bakery item, like a little bit, it's like a crispy apple, like a bakery item. So yeah, I'm interested in getting this one. It has a gourmand, obviously like a gourmand background there, like a note. So yeah, I'm excited about that one. I give that a thumbs up. Next up, we have, that's got my seal of approval. Just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Plumeria and Sugared Lemon Zest. This one's an interesting blend, I have to say, and I like it. So you get this, obviously that sugared, that lemony is going to be very, very strong in there. But Plumeria was like, hey, I want to be part of this too. So you can definitely smell the Plumeria in there. I would say it's 50-50, both. So this one's a really, truly a blend candle. And so I also want to give this one a thumbs up. So yes, that one also gets my seal of approval. And then we have berry waffle cones. So adorable. Okay, friends, I know I've mentioned this in another video here, but I have to get this because I have the double scoop ice cream candle holder. And oh my gosh, wouldn't that be so cute on that candle holder? I mean, it is like they go hand in hand. Sweet summer berries, golden waffle cone, creamy vanilla. I love this yellow wax. It's so unexpected for berry waffle cone. When I think of berry waffle cone, I always think of that pink wax they do. So to see yellow, that pop of color is super cute and vibrant and fun, and just a great like decor little candle piece. So there we go. So y'all be getting one of those. So fun. So here we have an overall view. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 SAS candles that I found today. But wait, there's more items that are new in store, friends. I'm going to show you so many new things today. So we're going to head around the corner. And I'm going to look around here to see if there's anything I might spot new for us. And so heading back to, I always check this back wall because, hey, you never know if there's like a new candle holder or, you know, something like super fun. And of course, these are great choices back here, but this really has kind of stayed the same. Laundry Reimagined. Oh my gosh, I was so excited to find laundry care at my location. I'm at Marketplace 99 in Elk Grove, California. And this is beautiful. This whole wall, the colors like just pop. They're just so I think I was talking there. That's why I was pausing the camera and I'm talking there again. Okay, you guys, I am definitely a chatty one when I shop. I love to chat with my friends at Bath and Body Works. But all right, so here we have the laundry detergent. Now I will say this, I did do a review on this collection. Not, obviously all these scents. I did do a review on the laundry detergent. They're calling it fabric care detergent and the fragrant booster. You know what? The more I use the fragrant boosters, I really, really like it. Because the scent lasts for a long time, like with the fragrant boosters. Again, I am kind of a creature of habit, so I tried the liquid detergent and I just can't, my head can't get past how you just use like a little bit to like, because the instructions tell you how much to use on the back and that type of thing. But I'm used to like overfilling I use way too much laundry detergent. So it's hard for me to get used to so little, but the fragrant boosters, I'm just going to call them scent beads because that's what I know them as, but they are really pretty awesome. Okay, so I'll be getting some more of them if we have a sale coming up. And this way I don't have to order them online anymore because they're in my location. So we have mahogany teakwood. It has like a baby powder type opening here to try them out in store. So that's nice that they have these here to try out. But yes, the fragrant boosters rock. Okay, that's all I have to say about that. They rock. And so I can't wait for Christmas time so that I can also get fragrant boosters. Now I will use other fragrant boosters. I'm not just going to always use Bath and Body Works. I will switch it up, but I have to say, like I mentioned just a second ago, I have tried it more and more and I do like the fragrant ones here. So I want to say that vanilla suede. Oh my gosh. So yes, I was trying to smell it in there. It's kind of, I don't know if I was doing it right. You can kind of smell it, but it's a little hard to smell it at the same time. I'm not sure if I opened it correctly, if I'm supposed to like open it more or not, but next time I'm in store and I have more time, I didn't have as much time today, so I'll definitely smell more of these and give you guys some more feedback on the scents. But some of them are, body care items turned into, and candle items, like, home scents turned into laundry care items. So like we have Cactus Blossom, 1,000 Wishes. So we all know what that smells like. So do you know what I mean? But yeah, this is exciting. I'm so excited about this. And I'm telling you, when you walk up to this wall, it's like all these beautiful colors just like jump out. It's so pretty. I don't know. You may say, Sarah, it's just laundry care. Why are you so excited? But I'm telling you, it's just color, has a lot of, color evokes like emotions, and I don't know, it's just so pretty. Over here, this one really looks so pretty, this blue color that they made for the bergamot waters. Again, I've seen a lot of these on the website, but to see them in store is pretty cool for me. We have the fragrant care boosters again, so there's both matching set right here. Again, 2 for $30, which would make them, instead of 19, I think they're $19.95, they would be they'd be about $15 each, unless there's a sale coming up, which I hope so. White gardenia, and then they have the set there as well. And then 2 more to quickly show you, and then we're going to show you the lip glosses, the new lip glosses here. But an overall view of this table, this had the hand sanitizer sprays on it before these were put in the place. So I just wanted to mention that. Eucalyptus mint. I probably won't get that one. I do love that one, but I think I'm going to keep eucalyptus mint for like my aromatherapy products and not for like laundry, but to each their own, right? So yes. All right. We have some new tinted, are these a tinted lip? What are they calling these ones? They're lip glossies. Yeah, lip glossies. Timeless Rouge. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. I have to try these. I almost use like I almost said award, not an award, a reward today to get one of these because I love this pink. But I'm going to go ahead and wait and hope we get a lippy sale soon, or like a little mini sale over here, because I'll definitely try all of these. They're very, very beautiful. Lip Glossy is a beautiful sparkly one. And I'm actually going to take them out of the packaging and show you like the doe foot, so you can see the color a little bit easier instead of it just being in the shiny plastic tube. But there we have the 3 ones together to show you in comparisons, the reds, the pink, and then like the orangish kind of like coral color. Timeless Rouge. And yeah, So there we have those. So next up, yes, I'm going to right here. I was going to try them. Well, not try them on, right? But I was going to put them on my hand, but I do have Glotion on. So I was like, I'm not going to put them on my hand. I don't want to get Glotion on the, little trial thing. So I'm just going to open them up and you can see, here we go, the color itself. So there it is, the red color. I forget the name of it because it's so new. I literally just saw it today. It's something ruby. And then this pink one, oh my gosh, I love this pink one. And then there is I'm trying to show you, making sure the camera focuses. And I think this is the corally one. Yeah. So yeah, there we go. Okay. I tried, friends. I tried. I hope that helps kind of let you see the color a little bit better outside the tube. And oh my gosh, when we see crates, it is go time for SAS. It is totally go time. Expect to see a lot of these at your stores. Every SAS, I've always seen a ton of crates. For candles and that type of thing. And it's always so much fun. It's the energy is always so fun at SAS. Everybody's so excited and having so much fun. And then we have soaps. Again, I was checking over here for any SAS soaps. Didn't see anything today. And then of course the little summer table, which should change up, I'm imagining, for semi-annual. You'll see all the red bins up here because that's, it's like that's usually put all that here. So I just want to take like a last photo here because come Saturday, that should all be different. So yes, I'm so happy. Okay, then I'm going to show you, I forgot to show you this little table here. When you walk in, $3.95. They have the coconut lime breeze. I'm personally going to wait till SAS because I know I saw that list on Reddit of prices for wallflower refills. And they should be starting at $3.50. And then I'm actually going to really wait and hopefully find them at some of the wallflower refills at 75% off. That's my plan. We'll see. We'll see what happens. How many wallflowers I end up getting. White tea and sage. This is the new packaging, new little facelift for this collection. Sea and sandstone. I haven't seen that. And actually, I think that's a new one I know that was in a soap, but I think this is the first time being in a pocket bag. Crisp Morning Air is back. This one is like the OG, right? It's always back every season. Sunshine and Lemons. We have Champagne Toast. We have the Champagne Toast. There's also going to be the Strawberry Pound Cake. Look at how cute the Strawberry Pound Cake is. I love this one. It's always so gourmand and just a great scent in candle or body care. And then over here, there's Black Cherry Merlot. And also this one, I want to get on the next sale, Cozy Vanilla Almond. So there's that one. And then these are also going to be mahogany teakwood over here in this corner. There it is, mahogany teakwood. So lots of new packaging here. All right, friends, that does it for this walkthrough here today at Marketplace 99. Look at all these candles behind me. I'm so excited. So I wanted to say thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. And new stuff rolling in here. I'm so excited for some annual sale. I did get my room spray today. I got Poolside Cabana. So $3.95 for that. So that's what I got. But anyways, thank you so much for being here, friends. SAS will be here on Friday. Today is Wednesday. We are getting so close to it. I can taste it. So anyways, thank you so much again for being here, friends. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe, and my returning family, a huge thank you so much for joining me once again. I'll see you very soon, friends. God bless. Happy shopping. Bye. See you soon. Bye.